A faster, more efficient way to get medical supplies to areas needing it most.
The University of Alabama Huntsville just completed its first simulation project to transport life-saving medical supplies to rural areas, all with the power of drone technology.
Interesting concept. WAAH 31's Olivia Schuler joins us live. Olivia, why is this advanced technology so timely right now?
Dan, there's a lot of manpower needed to get medical supplies from an urban area to a rural one. And then you add in issues like the supply chain shortage and labor problems. And that's why a professor at UAH thought about a way to give equal access to health care to every area.
This is a DJI Matrice 200.
This drone able to do more than what meets the eye.
We can use drone to deliver like blood for transfusion to a patient from one specific area in the city to another specific area. And also we can carry vaccines like COVID-19 vaccine and on any other sort of vaccine. And we are also trying to get a package on overdose.
From up to 15 pounds, the supplies that can fly are nearly endless. The idea to use drones for medical purposes was sparked by work Dr. Amiri did with the environmental justice communities.
The community that I work with is Union Town in Perry County, is South Montgomery. And this community, they do not have access to healthcare. The only physician is working there is a family physician.
Mirroring certain areas of North Alabama.
It was the point that I thought that, okay, we need to help these communities to get equal access to healthcare. This is America.
UAH hosted a simulation to see the project in action. At one point of campus, considered the rural area, they had a pregnant woman undergoing a preterm labor. But since she was in a rural area, the location lacked the testing needed to see if the woman's water had ruptured.
They communicated, and that urban clinic sent them testing for to see if there is any water broken.
Now, before medical drones can take to the skies, the research engineer on the project says there's more to be done.
And then start to coordinate through the College of Nursing with telehealth centers across Alabama in rural communities to start to identify and figure out what challenges exist for operating aircraft, long distances for medical delivery.
Now, one hurdle involves the Federal Aviation Administration. They put a limit on the distance that drones can fly. So here at UAH, they're going to apply for a status that would allow them to progress this operation and do more things by delivery. Reporting live in Huntsville, Olivia Schuler, WAAH 31 News.
Thanks, Olivia. The research engineer on the project says UAH is the lead university for drone applications within disaster response and community resilience. A simulation involving students on campus is set to take place in April.